So juicy and fluffy and smells amazing. Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. Today we're gonna make pan pizza. It's easy, it's delicious, it's one of my favorite pizzas to eat at home. Let's do it. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna oil this up. Sides too. Put the dough inside. Now stretch the dough out as much as you can the first time. And then we're going to leave it for about half hour. And then we're going to stretch it out even more. Cover it, plastic food wrap. A lot more. Beautiful. Just going to leave this like this for about half hour. And then we're going to stretch it all the way in. Alright, so it's been about half hour. I'm going to take the plastic food wrap off. The dough puffed up a little bit, so you're going to push it to the edge all the way. All the way to the edge. Now we're going to put the sauce on it. Sauce goes all the way to the edge. Now you're going to cheese it. And the cheese goes all the way to the edge too. That way you get that beautiful cheesy crust. I'm going to put some pepperoni on it. Still bubbling. Looks beautiful. Looks beautiful. Looks like the most beautiful pizza I ever made. I have to say that. Let's see what the bottom looks like. Whoa, it looks amazing. Amazing. This pizza just came out amazingly well. It's a beautiful pie. Man, it's just beautiful. I'm in awe of this pizza and what it looks like. Let's slice into it. Look how beautiful that is. Look at the back. Look at the bottom of that. Look at that. Look at that. Be right back. Give one of these slices to my son. Let's try this pizza. It's amazing. It's delicious. Fluffy. Chewy. Everything you want. Pan pizza to be. It's easy to make. 15 minutes cook in the oven. So without you in this video, 15 minutes in the oven, pull it out, it's done. Look at that. Look at that. You hear the crunch? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.